take care of those trees.
Now, leftist leader Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva has pledged to rebuild Brazil with the people as he was sworn in as the new president of the fiercely polarized country for a historic third term. Now, the inauguration ceremony in Congress took place on Sunday under tightened security after alleged threats of violence by supporters of his predecessor Jair Bolsonaro. Now, foreign dignitaries, including 19 heads of states, were in attendance as Lula took the oath of office for a new four-year term. Now, among them were the Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi, King of Spain, and the presidents of Germany, Portugal, and a raft of Latin American countries. The swearing-in began with a minute of silence for Brazilian football legend Pelé and former Pope Benedict XVI, who both died in the recent days.